If you are planning to open an HUF or you want to save some taxes, then this video is for you. So without wasting much more time, let's start this video. Hey everyone, this is Neha Gupta. I welcome you all on this channel. So my YouTuber family sometime asked this query that they want to have a playlist on the HUF. So here I am coming with my choti si koshish जिसके थ्रू I'll be able to provide more content on HUF to my family. So here in this detailed video, I'm going to tell you about that how an HUF can save the taxes through different modes. In Indian law and custom, HUF is very important. HUF is not just a tax planning tool, it includes actually a lot of emotion by the family member or the co-partners of the HUF. Earlier back, HUF was created for the family properties, inherited properties. Through that, if any rent will come out, then it will be equally distributed in the family. Reason being, at that time, the family was so big that they need the HUF kind of thing to manage all the expenses and all the incomes. But now, people have a very small families. This is the first reason people are not going for the HUF. They are more aware about the company registrations, LLP registration, startups. So they usually want to go for all these kind of things. But at that time, in the earlier era, company registration was not easy. Even people were not aware about the company registration kind of thing, business kind of thing. Very few people were into the startups or into the business. So now, here, as we are talking about the HUF, so how can you save more taxes through the HUF? Whenever I advise someone to open an HUF, I usually say that you will get one more legal entity with you, or one more legal individual with you for tax saving. How? Because you will get a different PAN number, and on different PAN number you can get the benefit of the basic exemption limit. This is the first thing. Second thing, you will get the benefit of section 80C. This is another second thing, an important thing. Section 80C, 80D, whatever the benefits that an individual can take, usually an HUF can also take. Now the point comes, Neha, how can we save other taxes through this? So these are about the tax saving, but now what are the benefits to open an HUF? So first, you will get the independent tax entity, as I told you earlier. Second benefit is limit of exemption. So as I told you earlier, that you will get the benefit of the basic limit. So through that you can save the taxes. Let's take an example. Mr. XYZ has an annual income of, let's say, 1.10 CR. Now he is into 30% tax bracket. He is also having the surcharge applicable on him. Now let's say if overall his total tax liability is 35% of the total income he earned. I'm just taking a rough example. So now if he'll transfer some of his income to the HUF, or if he'll gift something to the HUF and HUF start earning, and later on through that earning HUF invest that amount and HUF have the other incomes as well. So let's say if HUF will start earning a corpus of, let's say, 5 lakh rupees annually, then in that case HUF is also eligible to get the benefit of 2.5 lakh rupees basic exemption limit. Otherwise, this Mr. XYZ have to pay 35% of that 2.5 lakh rupees as a taxes. That will come to around more than 80,000 rupees. So this is how the HUF tax planning usually will go. I'm just taking a basic example, but now let's come to the another point where HUF family member, HUF co-partners can give to the HUF. So this is the another benefit of the HUF, framing an HUF. Now let's come to the another more important point, that HUF co-partners, HUF family members can take the loan from the HUF, that also the interest-free loan. So now let's say HUF start earning through various sources. Now the point can come that, Neha, how will I get the money? How can you use that money? You can take the loan from the HUF. It should be mentioned in the HUF deed, and you can take the loan from the HUF without paying any interest. So this is the actual a very good point, actually very good benefit that you can take. Usually people are in problem that they don't have the capital. Whenever they are planning to invest something for the tax saving, or they want to plan something for the investment, there's shortage of the funds, there's shortage of the capital. But in our case, you can take this amount as in the loan form. So this is the another benefit of framing an HUF. Now let's say HUF want to buy any property, HUF want to take any kind of loan, home loan, they are eligible for it. HUF can take the benefit of the interest under section 24 and the principal amount of the home loan repayment under section 80C. HUF can take other benefits directions as well. So in nutshell, by framing in HUF, you can save lot many taxes. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can directly call me on the number 8375831676, or else you can directly write to me on my website, that is canehagupta.com. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.